Okay, so now as we are able to build this entire project, so now let's talk about the deployment. So to do a deployment, first of all, you have to push your entire code base into a GitHub repository. And once you will be able to push your entire code base into a GitHub repository, then obviously you can do a deployment. Now to push any code base into a GitHub repository, I believe we all are aware about things. So let me do one thing. So let me go to my GitHub and then try to create a repository, a new repository, a brand new. So here I'm going to create a repository called as Medichat underscore pro. So this is the repository which I'm going to create, and click on create a repository. Now, once this is done, so I can try to call git init. I have already actually pushed it. So I'm going to show you the steps once again. So git init, so git init, and then like you can try to do git add, and then you can try to do get commit with a message. So Medichat pro code first time. And once you are going to do that, then git branch hyphen main, right? And then after that, so you have to basically add your current branch. So I have already added the branch. So that's the reason it is going to tell me that the branch origin, some of the branch is already. So I have to basically remove this particular branch, and then I have to add the new one. I have already added. So technically I have to do basically get remote remove origin. Sorry, my bad. Okay. So origin, and then try to add a new origin. So try to add a new branch over here. So now it will work. And then try to push your entire code base inside this one. So let's push this entire code base inside this one. So, okay, I'm able to push the entire code into my GitHub repository. And I believe we have done this process again hundreds of times in my past. Now, if I'm going to refresh it, so the entire code will be available here. As you can see, entire code is available over here. Now, what I'm supposed to do, so I can try to go to Google, and then I can try to like call Streamlit Cloud, Community Cloud, and then here, so I can try to click on free. I'm looking for a free deployment. And here, so there is an option after login called as create app. So click on create app, deploy a public app from GitHub, click over here. And then from here, so you can try to search your GitHub repo. So Medichat Pro is my GitHub repo. Branch is main, master. That's completely fine. Advanced setting wise, I can try to change if I want. Python version wise, let's suppose if I'm looking for 3.10, I can try to select this part, click on save. And then there is a main.py. So my file name is basically main.py file. So this is the file which is available, main.py file, which is the main file for me. So I'm going to select that main file and then click on deploy. If everything is going to work fine, then this will be deployed and I will be able to test the entire application. So just wait for a couple of minutes so that Streamlit will be able to deploy it. It will not take more than like a 2 minute of time. So my app is in oven. It's trying to cook my entire app. Okay, so looks like my app has been deployed and this is the public URL as you can see. And yeah, so I'm able to get a proper interface, browse the file, upload all of these files, and then try to click on process document. And yeah, so it has started processing my document, by the way. Okay, so it seems my document processing is done. And now I can start chatting, right? I can start chatting with this one. So here, tell me a medical history of John Doe. So searching my document and within a fraction of a second, it should give me the output. Okay, so John Doe is 45-year-old male and any recommendation for John Doe. So I can simply chat, right? And yeah, so things are working pretty much fine for me and it is able to give me all these things. The way it was working in my local system, so in the similar manner, it is working even over here and it is able to give me all the responses the way I was expecting. So hope all of you will enjoy this project. So where we have used multiple things, not just one thing, but multiple things and each and everything we are able to achieve with the help of this particular project. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my upcoming lecture.